Let us first tell you what happened in Jammu Kashmir's Kathua. It all started last afternoon when 5 army personnel died when the army convoy was ambushed by terrorists in the remote Mechedi area of Kathua district. 5 Jawans have also been injured grievously and were rushed to a nearby hospital where they are receiving medical treatment. As per sources, the army vehicles were on a routine patrol on the Mechedi Kindli Malhar Road when the attack took place. After the initial attack, terrorists reportedly threw a grenade and then opened fire. The security forces retaliated, but the terrorists fled into the nearby forest. Times Now brings a report from the attack site.
At about 1:30, a group of terrorists, they come out to this place. They opened indiscriminate fire. They ambushed army petrol vehicle that was moving from this area. And you can see the bullet marks that narrate the whole story. What really happened at that point of time? It appears that terrorists were more than 4 to 5 in number. They targeted 2 vehicles in this area. And they were carrying with them large quantities of arms and ammunition. They were carrying with them M4 carbine. They were carrying with them AK-47 rifle. 5 army personnel were martyred and 5 others were critically injured, and they were immediately evacuated to hospital. Let me show you empty cartridges also here. The empty cartridges are lying here. This narrates the story that after that there was a brief exchange of fire between the terrorists and security forces. And terrorists, after ambush, they fled into nearby forest belt. Since then, operation has been launched to pin down terrorists.
Your channel Times Now also spoke to an eyewitness who witnessed the horrifying episode and explained how the tragedy unfolded before their eyes. Let's listen in.
4-5-6 बंदे थे यहाँ दुकान पर बैठे हुए, तो पहले बस गई। बस जाने के बाद 10 मिनट के बाद गाड़ी आ गई आर्मी वालों की। गाड़ी आई, हम सौदा देते हो। इसके बाद एक टिप्पर भी गया, उसको पासिंग दी आर्मी वालों ने, उसको जो ब्रिज के साथ ही। उसके बाद कोई 2-3 मिनट के बाद फायरिंग शुरू हो गया। हम दुकान के अंदर, हमें पता नहीं चला जे फायरिंग। हमने पहले समझा जे जिसका इनका गाड़ियों का टायर पंचर हो गया, बहुत बड़ा धमाका हुआ। उसके बाद फायरिंग चलती रही, तो हमें कोई पता चला, अंदर ही हमको पता चला, हमने समझ लीजिए जहाँ पर काउंटर हो गया।
India bloc netas have doubled down on their attack on Modi's government, saying that the security situation in Jammu and Kashmir is worrying. Let's listen in to the reactions from India bloc leaders.
अब ये इस मोदी रिजीम के उस नाकामी की एक मिसाल है, जहाँ पे वो दावा करते थे कि 2019 के बाद उन्होंने मिलिटेंसी खत्म की है और मिलिटेंसी अब है नहीं। हकीकत ये है, और बदकिस्मत हकीकत ये, हम नहीं चाहते कि ऐसा हो। बदकिस्मत हकीकत ये है कि इनके दावों के बरक्स मिलिटेंसी अब उन जगहों पे हो रही है, उन जगहों पे फैल रही है जहाँ पे मिलिटेंसी पहले देखी नहीं गई थी। इन वाक़ात से एक नाजायज फायदा उठाने की कोशिश की जा रही है बीजेपी का जो एक इकोसिस्टम है। इन वाक़ात के नतीजे में वो अपना नाजायज फायदा उठाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
पिछले 7 महीनों में जम्मू कश्मीर में 24वां आतंकी हमला है, और पिछले 3 महीने में शायद ये जम्मू शहर में, जम्मू इलाके में 4था बड़ा आतंकी हमला है। ये बात बिल्कुल साफ है कि ये जो आतंकवादी हैं ये बॉर्डर पार से आ रहे हैं, और हम ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि सरकार इसको बहुत संवेदनशीलता से लेगी।
They claim that India is the most secure under the BJP, but all these things are happening. We saw what happened in Pulwama. What is the result of any investigation? Why this happened? Will the BJP care to answer the general public? And the Prime Minister has also claimed that he has got a 56-inch chest and everybody will be terrorized, and India will be a secure country. What happened to that 56-inch chest? Has it shrunk due to the shrinkage of the vote share and shrinkage of the seats?